Hello, dear students. Today is your pre-board test set 3, class 10, subject English. Your full marks is 40 and the time 2 hours. Now, section A. Read the passage given below carefully and choose the correct options to answer the questions. The destructions of forest is known as deforestation. By felling trees, forest cover is destroyed. Deforestation has led to many ecologically damaging outcomes affecting the flora and fauna of the area and disturbing the food chain and the hydrological cycle. There is also a disturbance to the amount of rainfall in the area. Herbivorous wildlife that depends on trees for their food loses their sources of food. Humans also lose their food source and livelihoods that are dependent on the forest. Global warming and climate change are the long term effects of deforestation. Now, question number 1. What is deforestation? A natural process where forest grows, the destruction of forest by felling trees, the process of protecting forests, a way to increase forest cover. Question number 2. How does deforestation affect herbivorous wildlife? It provides more food for them, it causes them to lose their food source, it gives them more living space, it helps them to thrive. Question number 3. What do herbivorous animals mainly depend on for their food according to the passage? Other animals, trees, insects, water plants. Question number 4. What long term long-term effects the deforestation is mentioned in the passage? Loss of plant species, global warming and climate change, increase in wildlife population, improved air quality. Now choose the appropriate options and answer the following questions. The list of items fill in the blanks on the table are, were, is, be. Question number 6. Mathematics. Fill in the blanks. My favorite subject. Are, have, where, is. He said, I am tired. He said that he, fill in the blanks, tired. Is, was, where, will be. Question number 8. She said, I will call you tomorrow. She said that she would call me. Fill in the blanks. Yesterday, today, the next day, last night. Question number 9. In the chapter Glimpses of India, what is Coorg famously known for? Tea plantation, coffee plantation, species gardens, rubber estates. Where did the author first meet Misbil the author? In England, in Iraq, in India, in Egypt. Now, question number 11. What lesson does the boy learn after losing his ball in the poem? How to play carefully, the importance of friendship, the reality of loss and responsibility, how to buy new toys. Question number 12. How does Amanda wish to be when she imagines escaping from her reality? A teacher, a mermaid, a queen, a dancer. What extraordinary power did Griffin possess in Footprints Without Feet? He could fly, he could read minds, he could become invisible, he could time travel. Question number 14. What was Richard Ebright's first collection that started his journey as a scientist? Coins, butterflies, sails, rocks. Question number 15. In Glimpses of India, what did the baker's son wear while delivering bread? A long white frock, a kurta and dhoti, shorts and a cap, a blue uniform. Now, section B. Read the passage and answer any three questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Born on November 15, 1875 in the tribal belt of Chota Nagpur, present-day Jharkhand, Birsa Munda was a member of the Munda tribe. He grew up witnessing the injustice and exploitations. The tribes were subjected to these under the British administration and local landlords or ठेकेदाrs. Growing up, Birsa was deeply influenced by the Vaishnav and Christian missionaries in the region. He attended German missionary schools and later converted to Christianity. However, he soon renounced Christianity. He revived the traditional anti animistic faith, striving for the upliftment of his community. Question number 16. When and where was Birsa Munda born? Question number 17. Which tribe did Birsa Munda belong to? Question number 18. Which religions influenced Birsa Munda during his childhood? Question number 19. Where did Birsa Munda attend school? You have to give only three questions. Now, section C. Answer any three of these questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Write a paragraph on any one of the following topics: my favorite game, my best friend, Republic Day. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about your preparation for the upcoming class 10th board examination. Question number 22. How does the poet convey the idea of loss and responsibility through the boy's experience? Why does Amanda wish to be a mermaid, an orphan, or Rapunzel in the poem Amanda? Section D. How did answer any two of these questions? Each question carries 5 marks. How did Griffin, the scientist, misuse his discovery of invisibility? What does this reveal about his characters? The story, the story Footprints Without Feet shows that science without morals can be dangerous. Discuss this statement in the light of Griffin's actions. How did Everett's curiosity and determination lead him to become a successful scientist? Discuss the key stage of his scientific journey. Thank you.